Hi all, myself Dr. Archana K. Bhange, working as Senior Assistant Professor in ECE Department since 2008. I'm also the coordinator for a team called as Center for Presencing and Design Thinking at VNR VJIT, which was formed in 2017 in order to bring a holistic development among students. So we offer these value-added courses for the students for their all-round growth. What are the courses offered under CPDT umbrella? So we have this course called as design thinking, which is offered at the second year level for all branches of all the students. And then we have happiness and well-being course, which is an audit course, and we have a spectral pyramid, importance of spectral pyramid. Then we have ancient wisdom course, which will handle like how diversity, culture all impact a particular person. And then we have ESMAC called as like enabled, which is exponentially growth, helping us to go for exponential growth there, and it is all enabled. This will lead to sustainability. And we also have a value added course called as presencing, wherein presencing indicates how a particular individual has to be observant, be present in the moment, experience what is happening in their surrounding, and extrapolate it to the future. So, the presencing is a term that was newly coined by our former president, Dr. D.N. Rao sir, and this is also a course being offered by MIT US called as Presencing Institute. So, the course that we are talking about is the design thinking course, which is widely used at our institute for all the students' benefit. So, what was the ideology behind setting up this center called as Center for Presencing and Design Thinking? So, this was born out of the belief that design must be an integral part of learning for graduating engineers and managers. The vision, the mission, and the objectives of the center are formulated with society at the core of the ideology and an outlook that all engineering, science, and technology are meant to improve life condition and sustainability. So, using this ideology, we have set our vision and mission. The vision for CPDT follows as we want to be an institution that fosters design thinking and applies multidisciplinary knowledge to address the global challenges. And what are the mission? To empathize students to understanding and respecting social, economic, and cultural aspects of diversity and diverse solutions for best user satisfaction and user experience, and also to enhance engineering, science, and technology skills through integration of design thinking courses, and then to create a focused attention among students towards solving the real world problems and contributing to the society through direct and indirect societal impact. So, what are the objectives we have set for this particular team called as CPDT? To help thinking and doing design related to engineering, science, and technology, and to hone soft skills along with innovation, entrepreneurial decision making, and other managerial skills, and to develop a conscious, confident, and empathetic personality as an engineer while bringing ethics into one's way of personal as well as professional life, and to encourage students to develop maximizing utility for the society at large than to exert themselves to a merely satisfying outlook. So, this is the diagram that shows the whole process of the design thinking. And the importance of this course is it is offered as a 2 credit course for all branches of all branches students. So, each student from different branches are combined in a multidisciplinary way. For example, circuit branches and non-circuit branches and mechanical and civil branch students are made to form a group and a team and do a project that follows the process of design thinking. So, what are the original or basic steps in design thinking? So, the first step we call it as is the empathize, wherein you are trying to understand the real world problem through user interaction. You have to know what are the needs of the users. Then you are going to refine your problem and put your problem in a more defined manner. So once you are clear about the problem, then the team are asked to ideate and come up with many solutions, as many as possible, and a solution that is more innovative and that is more out of the box. So once the ideation stage is done, the team goes for prototyping. Not all solutions solutions, but a very good proposal that will fit whether the proposal is desirable, feasible, and viable. A prototype model is developed by the team, and then it is tested and taken as a feedback from the users. And again, it is an iterative process where the students keep modifying or improvising their model. So, this is how we help the students in order to understand a real world problem through the course called as design thinking. And how is this design thinking courses being applied in our curriculum, and how it happens at VNR VJIT? So to the earlier regulations, that is before R22 regulation, the course was offered as design sensitization at first BTech level, and same was carried out through third year BTech course, that is called as design thinking. So the whole course was split among design sensitization and design thinking. But as of now, in R22 regulation, the course is combined as a single course, and we are offering that as a design thinking course. And till now, around 1200 to 1400 design thinking projects have been exhibited and carried out by the students. And the total number of students, those have taken this course, is around 6000 to 7000. So, what is the gain out of this course? So, students do problem discovery and definition. They go deep in understanding what is the problem and try to solve that problem. And they apply creativity and empathy, wherein empathy we say that trying to understand the needs of the users. Even students come up with sustainable design approaches, as the world is looking for sustainable development goals and some problems which are associated with sustainability. Students carry out a project called as capstone project, which is an interdisciplinary form wherein students from different branches participate and come up with this capstone project. And every student group or every student team is made to do a project presentation. And the student teams are also going through and making a poster presentation for their problem statements. So they have to show the project or the problem statement in a visual manner there. So even the design thinking projects are taken for exhibition, and we have a project expo for the design thinking projects. So this is how the ideation and prototype is being done and carried out by the students by using some hardware components like Raspberry Pi board, Arduino board, and some other different components. So these are the pictures where the courses or the workshops are being handled for the design thinking courses. And this is how the students are working in a multidisciplinary manner. And even the capstone project is being carried out by the teams in the college hours, as well as when they are able to do it in their teams there. So this is how the students are interacting, brainstorming among themselves to come out with a good ideation process. So, how is that the course being carried out? Who is going to teach these courses, as we all are doing our engineering courses there? So, some of the members from different departments have come together and they have done a special course in design thinking called as PG Diploma in Innovation and Design Thinking from MIT Sloan University, US. Not only from MIT, US, few faculty have taken the course from IIT Kozhikode on in terms of design thinking. Other than this, all the faculty update themselves about design thinking vocabulary and knowledge through attending programs in NPTEL, and also attending some ATAL kind of workshops. And we also have attended certain workshops at NID Ahmedabad and IIT Mumbai. So this is the expertise the faculty are having in order to teach design thinking courses. And this courses is being successfully running since 2018. So thank you for the opportunity.